In this video, I simply want to show you how to get to the Wi-Fi Direct password of your HP NV7975. Usually, many other printer brands are making this easy to get. Unfortunately, HP decided to do the hard way. So the first step is to click on these small icons on the top, no matter which one, it doesn't matter, okay? And then click on the cogwheel right there. Go down, select Wi-Fi Direct and make sure that this is turned on and you have selected manual. If it's not manual, go ahead, tap there and select manual. Then drag down from the top of the screen. They could have put the password here, but they didn't, okay? They made it complicated. Drag down, select info. You see you have alerts and you have info. Select info instead. And then go down and one of the options should be direct. Okay, this will be the Wi-Fi Direct name of your printer, the one that you see on your phone or on your computer. And down below, you should have the Wi-Fi Direct password. Tap on this and the full password will be unveiled to you. Under it, you can also see how many devices are currently connected to the printer. Right now, it's only my phone, that's why it's 1 out of 5. But this is how you get the password. Yours will be different, so don't copy mine. Every printer has a different password. Let me show you how you can actually print a nice picture like this one using your phone once you get this information. You need to go into the Wi-Fi settings. So on this Android smartphone, I will go in connection, Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds. You should see the Wi-Fi name that appears on this display on your phone. Here we go. You see direct, oops, not the one I just selected, the first one. And then has a password. Well, you simply have to type exactly the number you see on your display, not on my printer. Every printer has a different password. So I'll go ahead and type it. On the display, you're going to see successfully connected. This means everything is done. You can now open the picture you want to print on your phone. For example, on Android, I'll simply go on my photo gallery, select a picture, and on Android, again, it's on the top right corner. You need to click on the 3 dots and select print. On iPhone, you're going to get a square with an arrow, and you need to click on that icon, and one of the options will be print. Once you're over here, you're going to go on the top, tap there and select your HP NV Photo 7900 series printer. Now you have a few options. You can change the number of copies and whatnot. And at the end, press the print button. Usually everything works quite quickly. In under 15 seconds, you should have the result coming out of here. Okay, this one took a bit more than 15 seconds. Obviously, if you're printing a picture, it will take even a minute to print comparing to a text file, but the results are looking great. Obviously, this is the HP NV Photo printer, therefore pictures will mostly come out really nicely, but this is how you use Wi-Fi Direct to get the results from your phone printed on your printer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink for this printer or some paper, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment.